Today I'm going to show you how to light charcoal if you don't have chimney or some kind of fire starter or this garbage. I do not like lighter fluid and I've never used it before on my Weber kettle. That stuff is the devil, 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 devil. All right, let's start on our charcoal. Doing it this way makes me feel like a modern day MacGyver. So I'm just gonna take a paper towel and take out 3, I don't know, pieces of paper, I guess. Kind of just bunch it up a little bit. I'm gonna kind of make a ring out of it. There we go. That is perfect. We're gonna take this, it's about 3/4 of a shot glass of just used oil, pour it on there, put 1 or 2 of these little charcoals down on the grill and light it. Let's do it. We start by just, remember our piece of paper here we had just a moment ago? Very similar to that. We'll take some of this oil. I'm not going to use all of it because I really don't need all of it. Like a little piece of charcoal down like that. Light it. Now that oil in there is going to slow down the burn of the paper towel, but it's also going to create enough heat, it's going to start turning that piece of charcoal into white. You'll see it here on the edges. We're into this about 5 minutes, and I just want to kind of take a look at things. Yeah, it's starting to smoke on its own, which is great. That's exactly what we want. Let's just let it continue to burn away. Another 5 minutes is down. I want to show you something. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, see that edge right there where it's white? That's starting to turn there. That's exactly what we're looking for. Let's give it another 5 minutes, and then I think we're ready for part 2. Our 5 minutes is up. Look how toasty that is on top, all white and stuff. I like it. Gonna take a couple of these other charcoals. By the way, I'm just using Kingsford charcoal, to be honest with you. Nothing spectacular. We're just going to do that. Build it up like that. Now the key to this is also oxygen management. So I'm going to put the lid over it. Leave this open at full bore and just kind of let it start doing its thing.